Creating a yearly social media plan with built-in templates is a powerful way to stay organized and consistent with your content. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, we're going to show you exactly how to create your plan and make use of pre-designed templates to save time and boost productivity. First, start by defining your social media goals for the year. This will guide everything you do, from what platforms you use to what kind of content you create. Are you focusing on growing your audience, increasing engagement, or promoting a product or service? Setting clear goals ensures that your content aligns with your objectives. Now let's dive into the software we'll be using today. This tool comes with built-in templates that help you create a year's worth of social media content in no time. I've tried all the most popular options, and this software is by far the most streamlined for creating effective social media plans. Stick around till the end, and I'll give you an exclusive free trial for this software, just for watching this video. To begin, choose a template that aligns with your goals. Most social media planning tools offer templates tailored to different types of content, whether you're posting for a business, brand, or personal account. Templates can include content calendars, post ideas, and even design suggestions. These templates ensure that you don't have to start from scratch every time. Once you select a template, fill in your plan with key dates and content types. You'll want to map out which platform you'll post on and when. For example, Instagram posts on Monday, Twitter updates on Wednesdays, and blog posts on Fridays. These preset templates allow you to input your content quickly, so you're not wasting time trying to figure out what to post next. Next, customize your template to fit your brand. The beauty of these built-in templates is that they're flexible. You can easily adjust them to suit your style, tone, and messaging. Add your visuals, hashtags, and content details directly into the template, and it's ready to go. Most platforms will also allow you to schedule posts in advance, which means you can set your entire year up in just a few hours. Another tip is to include seasonal events or special campaigns. If you're promoting sales, launching new products, or doing something seasonal like holiday content, make sure to mark those dates on your calendar. This will help ensure you're on top of everything as the year progresses. To keep things fresh, take advantage of analytics. Review what's performing well every quarter and adjust your content plan accordingly. Maybe something that worked last quarter isn't resonating anymore, or perhaps a new platform or format is becoming popular. Don't be afraid to tweak your plan. Finally, don't forget to track everything in one central place. The software we're using today allows you to track performance metrics right alongside your content calendar, so you're always on top of what's working and what's not. Having all this information in one place is a huge time saver. Here's the key takeaway. Creating a yearly social media plan with built-in templates helps you stay organized, efficient, and focused on your goals. It's a game changer for those who want to streamline their content creation and avoid the stress of scrambling for ideas each week. To quickly recap, define your goals, choose and customize your templates, plan seasonal content, track performance, and take advantage of scheduling tools. And remember, if you want to follow along with this tutorial, make sure to grab your exclusive free trial for this software in the description below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to take advantage of that free trial.